So let's go ahead and get started by opening up this bad boy. I've already opened it up. Okay, so the first thing that, like, I'm just gonna open it by the first things that I saw when I first opened it. So the first thing that I saw were these lashes. They are the Siren, House of Lashes in Siren. So these ones are really pretty. They're wispy, but these are the kind of lashes that I used to wear in high school, and you can find them at the dollar. You really don't. It's not one long piece of hair extension that's like hanging. Anyway, you can find these for like $1. The creme lashes, they're the same. I guarantee you they're the same. I'm just looking at the band and it's identical, and I think that these lashes are like $12. I would say $12. I don't know. I feel like I can only wear mink, but I will try them on. And the next thing that came in the package that I saw was this. Now this is the Ades New York Organic Infused Age-Defying Nail Treatment Essentials. It's sweet almond cuticle oil. Now this is some stuff that I could use, but look at it. Like, I don't know what's up with Boxycharm. Like, most of my packages come in all beat up. This is like every single package, something is up. So it looks like this. It looks like a little cute nail polish remover. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this first just to see how this looks. Put some on my cuticles. So maybe I should show you guys my cuticles. Oh, okay. I was like, before I embarrass myself. So they don't look that bad. Oh, it smells really, really good. So I'm just brushing it along my cuticles. Now this helps with the whole like peeling stuff, so I don't know if you guys ever peel. I know I do, but I think it's because of my job. I handle dust as my job. No, really, like that's all I am always in contact with dust. So that smells pretty good. This is pretty good usually when you like after you get your nails done, or even before too. Like when they remove the cuticle, it's really important to always like have them what is that word, like nourished, I guess. So it's just a nail treatment essential. It's complete product restore. It's just too much. I don't know why it says anti-aging nail system. Like, who knew your nails could age? Like, I never knew that. Well, whatever. And the next thing is this, which I'm very disappointed of, because I specifically made sure that I would never ever get like a selection like this. Like, no, like it is the color of the box actually. Like, this is a really strong color, and I don't even think I want to like try it on. I think I have a few friends that would actually wear this. They're brave, but I'm not that brave to wear something like this. It smells good, but that's a really strong color, and this one is in Bombastic. That's a really pretty color, but I would never wear this. Never. And then it says studio tip: dot on lipstick with your finger for a lip satin stain effect. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, because I might as well just do the look using all the products. And the next one is this thing, this eyeshadow. Not this eyeshadow, it's this gel liner thing, which is weird because like it's in the color chocolate. Like, how is that supposed to, and I guess everybody got this color too. Like, how is that supposed to fit everybody? And not only that, but like it came opened. It looks like this, and it looks like somebody already pressed their finger on it. I wonder who that could be. Maybe I should do like a DNA test on like identify, like take it to like a crime analysis lab or something and be like, here, pick up this fingerprint. I mean, it is a pretty color, but I feel like my hair is too dark for this, but I will try it out. I mean, just to see if it would work as an eyebrow product, because I would never use this as a gel eyeliner gel, whatever. And then Oh, almost dropped this palette. But like, they made it seem so big on the website. So I'm kind of, I don't know, it's like half of my face, and my face is pretty big. It's like a palm size, like it's little. Cool. Okay, that little paper went away, but it looks like this. It's pretty. I mean, the colors, and this time it doesn't look like anybody touched it. I'm the only one getting my fingerprints on the mirror. Like, they actually did a really good job on my palette, that they didn't like touch anything. And those colors are really, really pretty. And I'm really, really unsure on what I want to do, because I'm trying to stay away from yellows and oranges. So we'll see what look I create with this. And last but not least, the Wonder Beauty baggage claim gold eye masks. Now these are the only things that I won't be using in this, because I've already put like lotion and stuff like that, and I don't want to ruin it by adding some of these stuff on it. But I mean, I thought it was pretty cool that they gave us 3 of these, since I think they are disposable. I don't think they're reusable. Yeah, I don't think so. But I'm excited to try these out. And it's so weird because these actually, like, they were saying that they look like condoms, but like they're super huge. Like, I think this is bigger than the palette. It's like the same. Oh yeah, they're bigger than the palette. So they look different too, like the ones that they had on the site. So I don't know, I thought that was weird. But I mean, can't go wrong with these. But I will for sure do maybe like a little mini one on Instagram to show you guys how those look and how they work. Or maybe I'll try one this weekend with my boyfriend, maybe. Who knows if he's down.